Okay, so this is a bonus episode from TPKP 182, Yvette Tan, Insect Tag, and other stories. We recorded this after we were done podcasting the episode, but apparently the conversations weren't done with us yet. So, usap lang kami ng usap and we realized parang pwede pa naming i-record yung mga napag-uusapan namin. So, we did. And while waiting for Joey to arrive, next thing we know, eh, meron ulit kaming 50 something minute of content of great conversations about AI. And yun, I'm glad and happy to share it to you. So, ayun, bonus AI conversation coming up right about now. Okay, so you mentioned kanina yung AI. So, what are your thoughts about AI and writing?
Okay. I am on the. I okay. It's a. How do I explain this? It's complicated, but not. I don't like AI for writing,
Mm-hmm.
but at the same time, I know that we're headed.
Mm-hmm.
Whether I like it or not doesn't matter.
Yeah.
We're headed to a future where it will be used by everyone.
Yes.
Even you and me, sa ayaw at sa gusto natin, at
Mm-hmm.
some point we will be forced to use it. Either because kailangan nasa kontrata or either because it's so embedded in technology that we have to use it. At some point, whether you like it or not, you're going to be forced to use it.
No.
That's what I think. Even though I don't like it,
Mm-hmm.
I think it's the way it is right now. It's a plagiarism machine because generative AI uses information that has been stolen. Diba? Like
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
all the information that has been trained to you to that has been used to train generative AI
Mm-hmm.
has been stolen. None of the creators, me included, one of
Mm-hmm.
my books was part of that whole list of
Really?
things that was used to train.
Wow.
And yeah,
How'd you find out?
there's a website that you can go to and then you can enter your book. And
Wow.
yeah, so it's none of the creators have been compensated, and the people who run these AR companies admit on record to
Mm-hmm.
journalists
Mm-hmm.
that their models cannot exist if they had not stolen all this work to train it. So in that sense, it's trained on stolen work. So it becomes a plagiarism machine. It just
Mm-hmm.
rewrites everything. People tend to think of it as like smarter than humans, or to the point that some people think of it as a god.
Mm-hmm.
But when you think about it, it's drawing on a finite resource, which is human, whatever humans put on the internet. Not all of them, some of them, like not all of them high quality.
Mm-hmm.
And then just moving that around,
Yeah.
diba? So that's how it works. So we have to constantly question what we're using this for, where this knowledge is coming from. I mean, we're not even talking about the environmental damage, diba?
Mm-hmm.
But I am friends with Carl Joe Javier, who is one part of the AI ethics something association of the Philippines, but
Mm-hmm.
I forget. But I have a friend who's in AI ethics, so I ask him all these questions once in a while,
Mm-hmm.
so that I know that hopefully when we're forced to use it, we're doing it correctly. And it's really important to constantly question these things. Where is it coming from? What will it
Mm-hmm.
do to us? How is it going to affect us? What's the environmental damage? What's our cognitive damage? What will it do? How can it help people? Because it can help
Mm-hmm.
people. Parang I read somewhere about this AI thing program that was.
Therapist na AI, di ba?
Hindi,
Mga
that's
ganun.
not good din eh.
Okay.
Parang I read about this AI program that was supposed to be used to distinguish pastries. Like, what kind of pastry is this?
Okay.
And then they found a use for it, finding breast cancer. 'Diba?
Wow.
So that's a good use, 'diba?
Yeah.
My worry lang for generative AI right now, especially since it's being pushed in schools, people are using it to ask really basic questions, is that it's eroding our capacity for cognitive thought. It's eroding our capacity for critical thinking. What does this mean for the Philippines in particular? So, when I teach kasi, so I used to teach, I'm on break right now, and I have one session, just to talk to talk about AI with my students, and I tell them that kasi diba, students using AI out to write their essays are super rampant now. You can't stop it. They're going to cheat. Diba? Like students
Have
cheating.
you caught students?
I have.
Oh,
Parang
what
this
did you do?
person was so lazy they
Oh my
didn't
god.
even bother
Okay.
denying it. I mean, I eventually had to fail this person, but this person was doing more than just that to warrant that failure.
Okay.
Parang yun nga, they were so lazy, they didn't even bother denying it. And they were so lazy, the prompt was lazy. So, AI can be useful if you know how to use it properly. But to use it properly, that means you have to know your subject really well so that you can prompt it properly. A lot of people just use it for basic things, so their prompts are really basic. And for students, kasi, di ba, the big worry is AI will take away your jobs.
Oo.
And what I
Yes.
have been told is that for people like you and me, people who know parang who are experts at what they do, it we're fairly safe because say AI does come for us, they will still need people with our knowledge to check tama ba yung sinasabi nito. Kasi AI tends to hallucinate, di ba?
Yeah.
So, the expertise is needed. Ang kawawa are the people who are the entry-level people. Because it's easy, like, di ba? Like, if all you know are the basics and it's easy for AI to just copy the basics, there's a higher chance that your job will be taken. What makes it what can you do about it? Well, number one, you can learn not to depend on AI. So, because everyone's so dependent on AI, especially at a lower knowledge level, you if you're dependent right away on it, you tend to lose your critical thinking. So you tend to lose your problem solving skills. You tend to lose your, diba, like your logic because you're just depending on this machine. So we're already the Philippines is already the country with the lowest critical thinking skills in, I think, Asia, if I'm
Oh.
not mistaken. So a population that depends that that will outsource their critical thinking to the machine at a very at the lowest level pa lang is going to make that worse. We're going to sink, I feel, and hopefully I'm wrong, we are
Oh.
going to sink even lower.
That's that's a new thought for me. 'Di ba? Na parang but
So what I tell my students, this is my common to students kasi, like, these are the stats. And like, I'm not making this up. You can look it up online. These are what the AI people said versus these are what the study said. What can you do about it? At least for my class, let's try not to use AI. Let's parang
kumbaga,
use your brain, and also find the fun in using your brain. Kasi we also have to think about it. Now, why do students want to rush to use AI kaagad? Kasi takot silang bumagsak. Why do we place so much weight on grades instead of making learning fun? It's not a one question, one answer. It opens a lot more cans of worms that we're already overwhelmed. We might
yeah.
not be it'll overwhelm us some more. So it's a huge thing na parang, what does it say about our education system? What does it say about the way society is? Like, sige, why are grades important? Why do we have to get honors? Because we want a good job. what if you don't, why do we want a good job? Because we live in the Philippines where if you don't get a good job, it's hard to live.
Yeah.
It's already hard to live when you have a good job. So what does it say about how our society works? Parang ganun. It's a bigger diba, it gets bigger and bigger the way you think, the more you think about it.
Yeah.
So that's where I'm at about AI. It's not just a simple hindi siya maganda. It's may use siya, but also we have to, ngayon pa lang, let's legislate, habang bago pa lang siya, before it becomes we have to make sure that our humanity is protected. And it also comes in where I was talking about na the process is, the writing process, the magtatapon ka ng papel at notebook and it's part of it, diba?
Yeah.
So, yun. Like, let's not forget our humanity.
Yeah. It's kasi most of the time when we talk about AI here dito sa podcast, it's syempre kadalasan mga artist yung kausap ko, no? And syempre there's in the art community kasi there's a lot of doom and gloom about AI art and yun nga. Kasi ang isang from what you said kanina is right now, 'di ba, there was a news recently na parang most Filipinos are, what's the term? Functionally illiterate. Functionally illiterate nga ba?
Yeah.
Yun yung term, 'di ba? So, if we are functionally illiterate and then we're gonna use AI as a functionally illiterate people, 'di ba parang 'di ba parang gagawa, kumbaga mali-mali yung prompt mo, you're asking the wrong questions, you don't yung comprehension mo is not adequate.
Yes.
'Di ba? Tapos pwedeng tapos gagamit ka ng AI and you're gonna rely on it to think for you. 'Di ba?
I'm not anti-AI.
Oh, same here.
I'm not anti-AI, but we have to consider it. Climate crisis na. It's not even change. Climate crisis na. And generative AI apparently depends on what you use it for, but video apparently uses the most resources. So there are whole towns who have lost water because all their water has been diverted to cooling these servers for AI. So the planet is dying and AI is making it die faster. We have to think of that also. But it's also hard for people to understand kasi nasa Pilipinas tayo, umuulan sa labas.
Oo
What do
nga
you
eh.
mean? What do you mean walang tubig? Like kakabagyo lang eh. Parang yun, parang these are things to think about also. The way it was explained to me was there are some parts of it, like yung text part, na yes, it is built on stolen data. Yes, it destroys the environment. But also, nandyan na. And at this point, the destruction is small as compared to video. So if you're going to use AI, use text. Yun, parang, and at the same time, diba, like if you know that AI is coming, whether you like it or not, you also should learn how to use it so that you're not left behind. I'm not there yet.
Yeah.
I haven't touched it yet, but I know that that's also a thing. So at some point, we have to use it to learn so that because that's just where people are going. Hopefully that doesn't happen, but it could conceivably happen. But then it could also be like when, for example, photography. Kasi my friend was saying na parang baka ganun, was it like this also when photography was a new thing? Were the
Oo, di
painters
ba?
scared?
Yeah, and yung yung digital art.
Digital.
Di ba?
Oh, or in my case, when I was a freshman, I was a film student. It was the film versus digital. Laking
Oh.
away.
Oo nga eh, di ba?
And in the end, they just learned to coexist.
Yeah.
But you know, digital wasn't destroying rainforests. I don't know. So, and digital wasn't stealing licensed work. 'Di ba?
Oo.
So,
Yeah. And also, ano eh, parang in a way, AI is a third player eh. 'Di ba? It's a, kasi yung digital art, those are tools that you utilize, 'di ba?
yes.
And uh AI is something else.
Yes.
'Di ba? Parang ikaw yung bibigyan, 'di ba?
Yes.
It's gonna feed you based on what you ask it,
Yes.
'di ba?
Thank you. Because I have a lot of friends who are in the creative industry who were like, but you know, it's like using Photoshop. I'm like,
Hindi siya ganoon. You can use AI kasi right now I tried it eh. Kasi I tried it to know if AI can replace me.
yes.
Diba sabi? So, tingnan mo, what if the average person, average artist na, let's say, baguhan pa without my experience, medyo magaling mag-prompt, kaya niya ba akong, kaya niya, how much of a threat is he to me?
Yes.
'Di ba? So, siguro naman okay naman yung pagpo-prompt ko, 'di ba? Hindi ko alam. Maybe at least average person yung ability ko to prompt, maybe above a little bit, 'di ba? So, and I found out na, let's say I'm gonna do a drawing na typically ng ginagawa ko, mas mabilis pa rin i-drawing ko na lang.
'Di ba?
Mas mabilis pa din. 'Di ba? Parang, okay, pwede mong magawa, pero the amount of wait time, the amount of yung revisions na gagawin mo, it's ganun din. Mas madali pa din drawing ko na. At saka yung mental, yung strain na parang, ano ba yan?
Yeah.
Di ba yun ang mas nakaka-stress pa. Hindi stress eh. Nakakapagod sa utak.
'Di ba? Like
Oo.
prompting properly. Nakakapagod siya. And my friend, the one I was telling you about, he showed me his prompts for like I forget what. Basta like this is what a prompt looks like when the person knows how to prompt properly. Pages upon pages upon pages. Parang
Oo.
para siyang nagsulat ng article, ng essay. That's to do it properly. So, 'di ba? Parang it's a lot of work din eh.
'Di ba? And ano mo pa 'yon, ha? Itutweak mo pa 'yon after. Kasi medyo, let's say, okay na, tapos 6 yung daliri ng ginawa mo, para, 'di ba?
Oo.
Although ngayon parang naremedyohan na nila yung mga daliri eh. But then again, if you are creating something for yourself, pwede mong, you can make it work if you're creative enough.
Yes.
You can make it work.
There's one time where I saw AI art and I was like, okay, I understand why this has to happen.
Yeah.
And this was because, I don't know if it's okay to say it, pero I hope it's okay to say it to the person I'm making paalam. So I have a friend, his wife passed away. And parang during the party, to commemorate her passing, because she didn't want a sad party, she wanted a party. Part of it was he had AI photos of her alive in various things. Tapos he blew them up. Na parang, that I'm like, okay, sige, I get it, okay. Parang it was it felt very thoughtful and very, it was commemorating her. It was a private event also. So parang I was doing, and this person is creative also. So I'm sure he put a lot of thought into why he should do this instead of whatever. So that's one instance. And as you said, private naman siya. So, yun.
Well, yeah. Well, and also, what I also meant was, you can, let's say you have, I have this friend, si Garawi. gumagawa siya ng mga content sa Facebook using AI. And makikita mo may mga, if you really scrutinize, makikita mo may mga mga continuity error, pero you can kumbaga pwedeng hindi mo napansinin kasi lahat. Kumbaga kung talagang hindi mo, kasi let's say isang scene mga 2 seconds lang yun eh. Pwede mong hindi mapansin talaga eh.
Oo.
'Di ba? Pero ano niya yun, parang that's his kumbaga project niya yun. If you have a client asking for very very specific details about the video, the artworks, and would really scrutinize yung mga characters, kung magkakamukha ba yan, it's gonna be very hard. Yun yung mahirap doon. At least for now, although meron kasing may mga nagte-train kasi para maging consistent yung mga characters nila eh. Pero again, it still requires a lot of effort, and not everybody could do it. Paano ba? Kung personal mo na project, yun nga lang, you're gonna have to live with the fact that you are an AI artist. Which is, right now, parang hindi, medyo frowned upon pa rin yun.
Some people don't mind, right? But
Yeah.
I guess some people, I mean, there are people, I know people who are working with AI because the working with AI is the point. Like they're established in their fields.
Yeah.
But parang the point is the working with the AI. And parang sige, like, again, the plagiarism aside and the environmental effects
yun
aside,
yan.
parang, okay, gets as a concept, gets. Because you thought about it. I guess, yun, parang, dahil may intent siya, it's less lazy because there is intent and because the person using it is already a master at their craft. Again, that's taking out the ethical implications.
Yeah. Yun nga. Kasi merong mga nauuso ngayon yung mga small businesses, they would commission AI artists na gumawa ng short video na commercial para sa
But
nila.
wait. But I thought the point of the AI was to minimize costs. So why can't they prompt it themselves? Why do you have to go to an artist pa?
Well,
Diba? Just go to a real human artist who draws. Kung ganun lang naman yung hinihingi mo.
Well, kasi gusto lang magtipid. Ewan ko magkanong singil nung AI nung friend ko. It's siguro siguro dahil influencer din kasi siya. Siguro pag nilagay nila na si ganito yung gumawa nito, then baka may dating. 'Di ba? I don't know what kind of and they probably don't know what to do themselves, 'di ba? Kasi hindi naman sila writer, hindi naman sila filmmaker. So a lot of factors, and siguro na-impress lang sila dun sa unang ginawa nung kaibigan ko, 'di ba? Okay to, gawan mo rin ako ng ganyan. 'Di ba? Usually mga Pinoy, ganda drawing mo, drawing mo nga ako. Parang ganun eh. Siguro may mga ganun lang. Tapos hihingan lang siguro sila ng idea, ano ba yung business mo. So what kind of story na nakakaiyak, ganyan. Tapos, I don't know. Yung ibang mga gumagawa kasi nito, mga creatives din eh. Galing din sa animation yung mga yan. Katulad ni Garawi, animator talaga yun eh.
So may intent talaga siya. Like, it's number one, he's a master of his craft. And then number two, parang, parang tool, he understands that it's a tool.
Yeah.
Because he already knows the basics. Oh, wait.
Sige.
Okay.
Sure.
I think nasa labas siya. I mean,
Andyan na, okay.
we can have him come in. If
Sure.
we want to continue this conversation.
Oo ba?
Just go down na lang. Hello? Hello?
Yun. Bigyan ka na ng mic.
Ano nangyari? Ayun, okay here.
Okay na, no? Yun!
Okay, coolness.
Okay, so we are joined by Joey. What's your
Odulio?
last name again?
Odulio.
Yun, so we were just talking about AI. And
Oh, very heated subject.
Oo nga eh. So what can you what are your thoughts about AI? Man?
Being in the corporate world, I really have to say AI is the buzzword. I mean, lots of companies, parang tech companies, have to say AI is a new thing, even though it's all the same AI stuff. I work at a call center, right? And so parang we've got AI Translate, AI Virtual Agent. So AI has not yet replacing people, but then doing a lot of stuff that in sales, parang we have to like say we have an AI component in our services and that is making our lives better, parang ganon. So that's kind of it's a buzzword in the industry.
Yeah, so in ang tawag doon, this CSR yung ano nun eh.
Yeah. Customer service.
Customer service
yeah.
representatives. Ano siya? Parang it's a lot of help eh, 'di ba?
Yeah.
'Di ba?
Yeah. Diba, we've always had a problem like hiring foreign language because it's like, what if we need an account that's a Japanese account? We used to pay so much for Japanese speakers. Diba? That's a premium, of course. But then now we have, because of AI, there's a virtual translator. So that's able to, not instantly, but then it's very fast that you could translate the words. I mean, the communication, right? So that just makes it easier. Yeah, it makes it easier.
No.
But yeah, not well, at least at that point you've already replaced the people, the Japanese speakers. But it's because they're premium and they're really hard to find. So I guess no one's missing that, right?
Teka, maybe you can move here na lang siguro.
Okay.
Para mas maganda yung yeah.
This is such a cool side.
Thanks.
I even like that the jeepney sign.
Yeah, I ano yan, parang we had a busking gig before. So, yun nga lang, nayari kami nung pandemic.
Oh yeah.
Saya nung trip namin noon. I have this friend, si Ramiro, siya, nagbabasking kami every Sunday dun sa vegan, sa veg, pangalan nun? Good Food Sundays. Have you been there?
I wrote about I was there at the first one in QC.
Yeah. Oo.
Yeah. And I was the first person to write about them.
Oh, kasi yun eh, mga produce yung sina Sherlene. Diba?
Yeah.
Anyway, yun. So, what were we talking about kanina before AI?
I don't remember. I was just being
Oo nga eh. Anyway, it's
It's a use with caution.
yeah. And Joey, you were a musician, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah,
A long time ago with
So-
the Kelsey far away.
But he also just sessioned last week.
Yeah, for Uzon. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I help out friends. If some friends ask for help, I'm there.
Mike.
Mike. Okay, there you go.
Yun. It's and right now, have you heard about yung there's I forget who this rapper is, but there's this rapper who created an AI artist. Si Tata yung pangalan ng artist.
Yeah. One of
si
the
Tata.
in America. Yeah.
And
then diba, even Spotify has an AI
Yeah.
band, which I tried it and it's very bland. Diba? I mean, there's no excitement, but okay, if it's background music, I would not object. But it's not something I would like. Hindi ko siya habulin, diba? I'm not gonna like, I want to listen to some hard rock right now and listening to that AI band. No, if it's just passing by, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's nothing. It's bland. It's great for background music. I guess that's also what they're going for. I mean, you've heard about how Netflix is making movies and series that are great for background while you're working, while you're doing your other stuff. So it's like it feels like that way. The AI band is just bland enough to fade into the background, right?
Oo,
Yeah.
diba? Parang yung ano, diba, si Lo-Fi Girl. Did you used to Lo-Fi Girl?
No.
Oh,
What's that?
That's there's a YouTube channel. It's been around for quite some time now. But there's this YouTube channel that just plays lo-fi music with no lyrics, and you just it's basically just background noise, and it's so popular.
Yeah.
Diba? It's so popular.
Yeah, it pops up on mine because it's like when I fall asleep watching a YouTube video,
Yeah,
I wake up, it's Lo-Fi Girl.
Really?
Yeah, so it's like those what's that, the algorithm after my YouTube video and another YouTube video, and then it switches
To lo-fi
to
girl.
Lo-Fi. It's like it probably knew that I was asleep,
Oh.
and then it just plays that, and it's really good sleeping music. Really,
Yeah.
I woke up as like that was playing, and like
Well, it's
yeah, no,
it's pegged as ano parang study music and writing music.
Yeah.
So there's an entire community chatting all along.
Yeah.
Diba? And then this
and it's just a graphic, right? And then it's like if there's rain or something,
diba?
yeah, that's
It's very iconic. It's an animated na nakaloop.
Yeah.
Animated video of a girl studying. Kaya lo-fi girl eh. Tapos it just loops, and sometimes they would change the background. Let's say nasa ano sila, nasa Greece o nasa kung saan bansa.
yeah. I get the South America ones and the Tokyo ones, and then that's,
Yeah, they tried to take down that channel because of copyright. Nag-alsa yung YouTube, nagalit. Oh, balik niyan.
Love it.
Oh, sin. Kasi, ewan ko, I don't know how they resolved it. But,
Yeah, it's
I'm
going
sure
on
that
strong,
that
yeah.
dude is, it's ongoing. It's on live stream na 24/7. Ano lang siya. I'm sure that guy is earning a lot from
yeah,
that
yeah,
channel.
yeah. I noticed. Yeah, I was yeah, and for YouTube to put it on my algorithm
No.
without even me looking for it, diba? I never Googled that. I never like looked for study music or what. It was just something, and I fell asleep, and then I woke up. That was it. Wow. But I'm kind of hooked, but no choice about it because if ever YouTube is just on and just goes on background music or background noise, it goes to that.
No, it's well, it serves its purpose, 'di ba? It's nice and it's fun to look at, 'di ba? Minsan makikita mo nag-aaway sila doon. So, makikichismis ka, 'di ba? Pero sometimes, well, yun, when it's on when I feel like it. Ang galing lang nung idea, 'di ba? Parang it's a steady stream. Kasi
Yeah.
ang daming nanonood. As
Yeah.
in, thousands of people are always on.
And commenting for some reason. I was like, there's diba, on the side of it when it's a live stream. On the side, there's
Yeah.
some comments
Yeah.
and people are commenting. Wow.
And it's
They're commenting on-
it's such a simple idea, 'di ba? And there are people na other channels who try doing it. Some are a little bit successful, pero I haven't seen quite parang someone else that's as big. Yun. Sayang ako. Ano yung parang yun yung dapat ako nakaisip niya.
Yes. It's probably not. It's just putting that prompt and AI and just keep adding music and then
Oo nga, no? Kung
Yeah.
AI lang yun, no?
yeah, it could be just my first instinct was it's all just AI. Because it's really just that
Lo-fi,
simple.
diba?
Yeah, diba? It could be. Although, yeah.
Bahala
do
na
not
yun, bahala
quote me-
na yung
Do
rainforest.
not quote me on that because I would
Maybe,
not know.
well, that's a possibility.
Yes.
It's a
Maybe before, kaya siguro hindi na sila napaflag for copyright. Kasi AI na eh. Kasi actually, there was a few times na gumamit ako ng AI music for my reels. Diba? Kasi problema lagi yung
Yeah,
yung
the copyright. Yeah.
Kasi kung gagawa ka ng,
Licenses,
let's say,
yeah.
this podcast, 2 hours, 3 hours long, tapos mag-play ka ng mga 10 seconds na music. Wala, demonetized ka na.
Yeah.
Diba? So,
Yeah.
ang madaya talaga. Anyway, so,
Let's play Stairway to Heaven.
So, any last thoughts on AI, Yvette?
use with caution. Legislate as much as legislate to protect human beings.
What kind of legislation kaya? Diba? Parang it's so tough, no?
It's still too early for Philippine legislation.
Yeah.
They don't know anything what's happening
Isa
there.
pa yan. Isa
Yeah.
pa yan. Di ba, minsan
Kasi 'di ba Denmark ba 'yon? Yung parang may law na sila or magkaka-law sila na you cannot use parang your copyright of your voice and your face.
oo,
belongs to-
yeah.
Well, that's worldwide. I mean,
Yeah.
because
No, that's one country.
yeah, that's recognized as your. I mean, they have to ask special permission from Darth Vader, James Earl Jones, right, to use his voice and likeness for the next Darth Vader rules. The next Darth Vader rule is going to be all AI.
Yeah, but that's different. This one
May
is
paalam yun.
for
Yeah.
for regular citizens.
for regular citizens.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So, every citizen sa kanila, protected na yung image nila to be not used for AI
Yeah.
purposes. Oh, ano yun, no? Actually, that's a good... What do you think?
Well, somebody I read parang a lawyer's point of view was it's good in general, but it can also be used maliciously. Like for example, you're writing about a corrupt politician, for example. They can use that law to say, don't.
Oo nga diba? So you can't do satire with AI anymore.
I mean, you can't do satire, period, with or without AI, if the person is vindictive enough. Diba? So,
Sabagay.
it checks and balances palagi. As with everything in this world, there's always a price to pay for what.
Yeah. Kasi let's say one of the parang horror scenario ng AI kasi is yung indistinguishable na na misinformation, as in hindi mo na talaga masasabi na it will reach a level where you can't really tell the difference anymore, and you can have anyone saying or doing something na malicious,
Yeah.
and hindi mo alam talaga kung diba? Tapos if it's parang alam mo yun, creative enough, talagang teka, parang pwede mong gawin talaga yan di ba?
Yeah.
Bigyan mo ng si mga politiko, di ba? Or gusto mong siraan yung isang tao.
It's getting better and better.
Kaya nga
Before you could tell if it's AI, it has that sheen, that look, that okay, it's so fake. But now, I mean that when South Park did the one for with
VO3?
Trump,
Yeah.
and it's like, wow, that looks so real already. So like,
Kaya nga di ba? You can start a war.
Yeah.
Using, if you really want to, you just insist that this is true
Yeah.
Di ba? If you're a maniacal world leader na gusto mo lang talaga makapagyera naman, hindi, ito, yan, ebidensya ko.
yeah,
Tapos tayo, anong nangyayari?
for the common people, I mean, diba? And yeah, what's next, diba?
Yeah. Actually, may point si Joey kanina. Like, he mentioned na with AI music, for example. Like, to him, a musician, it sounds one note. But to the regular person who isn't trained, parang, oh, this is great.
Yeah.
So, I think that you should interview a regular person, because when you interview creatives, they already know, they have a background, so they can tell, this is good, this is bad, this is mediocre,
Yeah, this is fake.
this is
not.
fake. But to the regular person, being able to, I can write a novel just by typing a few words, or I can create this, I can draw like Ghibli. It's
No.
diba, in their head, it's me. It's not the machine. So,
nga, no?
parang, iba din yung thought process. Saka iba yung, tayo as creatives, we get na, the pawis is part of it. But to them, it's like,
Drawing lang yan.
oo, parang hindi nila gets na ilang taon natin to ginawa. Or in his case, musician, ilang taon niya practice, or to them, parang we draw it or we write it, it's instant. They don't understand na may pawis. So to them, parang,
Oo nga, no?
'Di ba? Parang Ghibli Who, I can do it also.
Oo nga, no?
There's the
Buti nga kung kilala pa nila si Ghibli, di ba?
Oo nga.
Di ba?
Yeah,
There are people
actually.
na hindi naman parang it's just an internet thing. Sa internet to.
Yeah, it's in the
Yeah.
trend lang, di ba?
Yeah, or parang I can finally make music just by typing a few words. The taste, it's a conversation about taste as well, and a conversation about what how people see creatives. They think so little of us that they think what we do is easy, and they think that we don't deserve to get paid a lot, or
Yeah.
we don't deserve to get paid properly.
Or it's sa kanila parang mystery na parang bakit ang ganyan ang skill mo?
And then it's part of our job to make it look easy, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
It's part of our
Exactly,
That's it.
diba?
I mean, when people look up at, hey, I could play. I'm on stage. People have come up to me. I could do what you're doing. Really? I mean, why don't you then?
Exactly. Even if you can, di ba?
Yeah.
Even if you mildly
You think
can.
you're strumming just notes and chords? Yeah, but then why aren't you?
Well, there are also other aspects about being a professional artist na that goes more than just playing or drawing or writing. The yung tawag dito, yung disiplina mo,
Discipline,
di ba?
yeah.
And how you navigate the landscape nung
And developing your voice, your
Yeah.
style. So people think it's just chords, people think it's just lines. But then it's what you do with those lines, it's what you do with those chords that is uniquely you. You know, the way you strum it is different from the way other people strum it. That's why I'm on station, you're not.
yeah.
Yeah, na hindi yun yung feel ko, hindi magagawa ng
Ng
AI.
AI,
Oo
exactly.
nga eh.
Kasi yes, you have the whole of the internet, but that's just the whole of the internet. Like, as a human being, your voice is different, or diba, like, can be different from the whole of the internet. You have within you something beyond what AI is capable of doing, because they finite yung resource nila eh. Ikaw, if you unplug from the internet,
Yeah.
you go do things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I'll go back to my point about that AI ban in Spotify. They're bland because there's no feel. There's no. My
Walang
my
espiritu.
life sucks right now. I'm singing about it, or I just kissed a girl and I'm singing about it.
Yeah.
But that's what we get from all these great artists, because they're translating their experiences into poetry, into music. AI doesn't have that, so that's why it's bland. They could just repeat the words and it's just not gonna have that hugot.
But again, a lot of people don't understand that. They think, okay, this is good enough. They don't understand that, no, this may nuances yan.
Well, but then also there's this factor that di ba, I know about that band that you're talking about, yung parang naka 90s yung formahan nila,
Yes,
di ba?
yes.
Ano ang dami naman nilang subs. So there's people see success.
Yes.
But of course not every AI practitioner would get to reach that, di ba? Pero there will be some successes na parang siya enticing for other people to do the same. And yun ang
Lalo na kung pera lang habol mo,
Oo,
di ba?
diba?
Yeah.
Diba kasi parang actually nauuso nga ngayon yung yung mga vlogger na nagko-commentator ng politics kung saan-saan. Bago sila magsimula, habang naghihintay sila ng mga viewers, magpapatugtog sila ng AI na
Yeah, mga standby
Oo, ng mga
or live
oo,
shows
diba?
come, and then they play.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so habang naghihintay sila ng viewers, papatugtog muna sila. So, okay. Tapos, pero halatang-halata naman kasi yung ibang, di ba, yung mga ibang, let's say, nagra-rap siya na AI. Halatang Tapos, kung Tagalog, syempre, may tuwang yung
Oo, yeah.
Tagalog niya, alam mong AI.
Paranaki.
But then again, this is the world we live in.
Yes.
And I don't know who has the wisdom to properly legislate about it.
Or fights.
Does that person even exist to figure this out? Where
So-
everybody can agree, oh yes, you are correct.
I think it's in the local sense. I'm just gonna say that we have to wait for something really to go wrong, and that's when remember, like in any when it comes to technology, the Philippine Senate will only act when something goes wrong, and then we're blamed for it, and then we'll do something. Well, not even do something. There might be something.
Oo nga eh.
Yeah.
Ang tanong, what would that something that
Yeah.
what is that wrong
Yeah,
gonna look like?
I
What
mean,
is gonna be?
if you remember years and years and years ago, the I love you virus
Oo.
that came from the Philippines. Okay, finally, we have to legislate internet security now.
Oh, yun nga, pero ang laki na ng damage nun.
Yes.
Yun nga lang, hindi sa atin nangyari.
Yes.
So, okay. Sa bagay, di ba? Pero ewan, it's, kasi there's aside from, kasi I always compare the invention of AI to the invention of the gunpowder or
Yes.
the atomic bomb, 'di ba? Na parang what are you gonna do? Parang may atomic bomb, people know that it is possible. Ano, you're just gonna stop tell everyone no, walang gagawa niyan, ha?
Yeah.
Hindi naman kumbaga kahit sabihin mo 'yun, may gagawa pa rin eh.
Yes.
Yeah.
'Di ba? And somebody would have to kumbaga
It's
kung hindi ka gagawa, edi pag ginawa ng ibang kaaway mo, yari ka.
Oo. Parang like, to build on that, parang dynamite, di ba? Like, Alfred Nobel invented dynamite thinking that this is so dangerous, nobody will use it. Guess what?
Oo nga, di ba?
Not the case.
Di ba? Tapos parang,
Dahil sa dynamite, nagka-career si Wile E. Coyote.
Yes, and that's a good thing.
pero it's who knows? Ang sabi ko nga dito dati sa podcast, parang yung AI art at saka yung that's the least of our concerns with
Yes.
AI.
Yes,
Diba,
yes, yes,
parang,
yes.
Diba parang okay, parang yung mga ghibli-ghibli, well, of course it has impact, diba? Pero in the grand scale of things, diba, it's the least of our concerns siguro sa AI apocalypse.
Parang people think at the end of the day, it'll go the way of NFTs. That's another theory, di ba?
Parang hindi eh. Diba?
Yun din eh.
Oo.
No,
Kung yung
yeah.
AI art, pwede pa. 'Di ba? Kasi parang, I think, what's gonna happen, I think, ang pinaka-affected kasi, based on what I heard about from fellow artists sa art, is yung mga concept artist. Yung mga nagde-design ng mga game characters. Kasi madaling
Yes.
madaling, let's say, okay, parang generate a cool looking, properly prompted na, let's say, samurai na ganyan, na game character for this game, in this style, ganyan. So, even if it doesn't get it perfect, madali nang i-tweak yun eh. So gusto ko ganito yung So ang kumbaga parang konting tweak na lang dun sa concept designer. Although, pwede namang, let's say, I'm a concept designer, hindi man gumamit yung client ko nun, pwede kong gawin yun eh. Diba?
Oh, yeah.
Diba? Siya, gano'n, hindi na mag-iisip. Tapos, ito-tweak ko na lang yung ginawa, yung design ng AI. Pero sometimes kasi, mas fun pa rin na ikaw yung gumawa eh. Diba? Kahit ako, syempre, mas maganda kung makikita mo yung game, gawa ko talaga yan.
Oo.
It's, I don't know. Kasi as for sequential art, yung mga gumawa ng AI na comics, hindi hindi maganda eh.
I'm curious. I actually want to see. Yeah.
Well, there are some samples online na
Yeah.
you can look up mga AI comics. And
Just Google AI comics again.
yeah,
I'm curious. I've seen AI art, but not.
at least for
Sequential.
what I've seen is medyo hindi siya yung Marvel style comics, yung mga naka-ink na line drawings tapos may kulay. It's not like that. It's like AI art na nilagyan ng mga dialogue. So medyo boring siya.
Okay, yeah,
Diba?
yeah.
At least yun yung nakita ko, ha. Pero you're not gonna I don't know if they can produce, let's say, Jim Lee style
Yeah.
artwork na comics tapos AI. I don't know kung siguro you can do that, but it's gonna take forever.
Yeah.
I-drawing mo na lang.
Oo.
'Di ba?
Yeah.
I-drawing mo na lang. So yun. It's exciting. Do you have any prediction, Yvette, how AI would be in the next 10 years?
I don't have any predictions right now because I am put on the spot.
Oh, no. Maybe you could.
But I just hope that I just hope there's still time. I just hope that we understand that even though we have this piece of technology right now, I hope that we understand that let's not lose. I hope we don't lose our humanity. Yun na lang. Whatever happens. I don't know. Yun.
Do you think mas mas affected ang mga intellectuals to compared to parang regular guys ng AI?
Yes and no. Kasi like, yun nga, as it was explained to me, if you're an expert already, then you don't have to worry because even though, say, it's a creatives, as creatives, even though a lot of creatives are worried that their jobs are going to be taken, if you're at a certain level, you don't have to worry because your expertise is what sets you apart. It's the people who don't have the expertise yet that need to build that expertise are the most affected right now. Unfortunately, they don't understand that. So they think, oh, this is great. I don't have to build that anymore. And yet, it's the people who are experts, quote unquote, like, diba, the people who have more knowledge, they're the ones who are worried. So it's the wrong people who are worried, actually, I feel.
Diba? Kasi parang ang one conundrum about this is, syempre AI, there's a lot of knowledge in that technology And then, what happens if you let a fool use that? Diba?
Yes. Diba? Like, we're already the lowest we already score lowest in cognitive thinking. We also score pretty low in terms of creativity. That's a different test
Except
altogether.
singing.
Except singing. Except
According to
singing.
YouTube.
Yes.
Diba?
Pero creative thinking, mababa na tayo. Critical thinking, pinakamababa tayo. We're not, and then we're embracing pa AI. Again, I'm not a hater. I'm not against AI. I'm just let's think about this first. Wait lang. Parang ganun. We want to build our capabilities first. And I also think na baka masyado na tong far out na parang people are excited about AI. The way it's used now is because they don't have to pay for artists, for example, or they don't have to pay enough for a writer. They can do it themselves. So it's kind of like instead of building community, you want everything to be, diba? Whether it be because you want to save money or you don't want to deal with other people because other people are messy. I don't know what that... It says something about us, but I don't know what it is yet.
How about prediction? AI.
Yeah, it's here to stay. It's gonna get better and worse eventually. It's not gonna go the way of NFT and Bitcoin because those are really trends. But
I know
could
Bitcoin's
see-
still going.
yeah, but they're not as strong
Not
as
yes.
and NFT is also going.
Yes.
Not as strong as
yes,
before.
yes.
But then this one, I think will be built and more and more and more, especially in the not not in the creative side, but like the corporate, because we're investing. A lot of corporations are investing a lot in AI technology to streamline their practices. I mean, so that I'm not worried about AI art. I'm not worried about AI music because they don't have that innovation. But then,
No.
in terms of streamlining other kinds of practices, especially in the corporate or in the government or in research or whatever. So yeah, it's going to be an indispensable tool eventually, like the computer is. It's just a way of life.
So we have to prepare for that.
Yes.
Yeah. Yun. I suppose we can end on that. So, let's see. As for legislation, siguro, I'm not smart enough to
Neither am I.
Yeah.
come up with how to
Too
handle
complicated,
this,
yes.
Kasi you can't put it back in the box, eh.
Nope.
Not anymore. So, it's here to stay. If it
And,
destroys the world, it does.
Yes.
Yeah, kasi ang isang pinakamalaking impact niyan is to society, eh. Parang over-reliance and also yung relationships, 'di ba? Parang
We didn't even touch on that.
Oo, diba?
The people who use it for religious
Companionship,
yeah,
diba?
companionship,
Oo, diba?
like religious advice. Parang, diba there's a case recently about this guy, correct me if I'm wrong, he killed his girlfriend, I think.
dahil sinabi nung AI.
Oo, dahil
diba?
sinabi ng AI okay lang, justified siya. So, yun.
It's and also yung misinformation nga na yun nga yung it's too perfect para hindi mo na malaman kung ano yung totoo o hindi.
Oo.
And those are doomsday scenarios, but there have been doomsday scenarios before na fortunately hindi nag-cause ng doomsday. Hopefully this one is like that, like
Skynet
those two.
is AI.
Oh, anyway, we
Okay.
can
Thank you very
we
much.
can end this. Thank you so much,
Thank-
Joey and Yvette. I hope you can come back again
Thank you for
some other
having
time.
us.
And yun.
Thank you very, very much. The powerful comics man.
Comics
Yes.
man.
Yes.
Paalam. Yun.
Okay.